Hello, ladies. It's Deborah Razzo here from the Women's Real Estate Network. Are you ready to take your real estate game bigger? Meet a group of powerful women who have already gone big and are willing to share their stories, experiences, and knowledge. If you are, you need to attend SOAR. SOAR is sponsored by the Women's Real Estate Network, WREN, and it'll be held October 17th and 18th in Pheonix, Arizona. Day one is classroom learning. That's right, high impact, immersive curriculum. Great exposure to diverse women real estate investors willing to share their knowledge, insights, and inspiration. At this event, you'll learn about several asset classes: apartments, ground-up development of luxury single-family homes, hotels, storage units, and more. On day two, what do? We get in a bus and we go visit these assets. Visit a 240-unit apartment complex. Walk the complex and hear the story about how this was acquired, how it was financed, what were the pitfalls, what were the great things that happened to it. It's a live case study. We'll go on a construction site of a couple high-end luxury single-family builds. We'll have lunch at an airport hotel. We'll visit a storage unit that's on the market. This is a great time to figure out how to go to that next level. Let's face it, unique challenges require unique solutions to meet the demands of women face in real estate. WREN's SOAR event is an engaging learning experience that's designed to develop and supply education ready for women who want to advance. Attend SOAR and create relationships with other women that are truly priceless. The most valuable real estate resource you'll ever have. Find out more at www.rensoars.com or click the link below.